In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your FICO credit score in the Bank of America mobile app or on the website. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end you'll know exactly where to find your score and how to review your recent trend. This is a great way to keep an eye on your credit health, especially if you're planning a big purchase or just want to stay informed. First, open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone or tablet, or navigate to the official Bank of America website in your browser. If you're on mobile, make sure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection helps the pages load quickly and accurately. Next, sign into your account using your usual login credentials. You'll land on your main account area once you're authenticated. Always make sure you're on the official Bank of America app or site before signing in, and avoid public Wi-Fi when possible for added security. From here, head to the dashboard using the top menu. In the app, this appears at the top of the screen and gives you a quick overview of your accounts and tools. On the website, you'll find a similar top navigation bar that takes you to the dashboard view. Think of the dashboard as your home base for key features, including access to your credit score. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled My FICO Score and tap or click it. It may appear as a tile, link, or card within your overview. The wording is consistent, so keep an eye out for My FICO Score. This is the dedicated area where Bank of America displays your credit score information. Once you're in, you can view your current credit score and then scroll to see your score history. You'll typically see the latest score front and center, along with details like the date it was last updated. As you scroll, you'll find a timeline or chart that shows how your score has moved over recent months. This trend view is especially helpful for spotting improvements or areas that need attention. Bank of America provides this score using TransUnion data, and it's a valuable snapshot for tracking your credit health. Keep in mind, though, that this score doesn't guarantee approval for loans or credit cards because lenders may use different models, criteria, or bureau data. Use it as a guide, check it periodically, and note how responsible habits can influence the trend over time. That's all you need to check your FICO score with Bank of America quickly and confidently.